Well, hey everybody, it's Otter Creek Redneck, back up in the woods again because it's a beautiful afternoon in March, and today I'm up here looking for nature's fire starter. It's called fatwood. I'm going to show you where to find it, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and show you what you can do with it. Okay, you might be wondering, what is fatwood? Well, fatwood comes from pine trees, either red or white pines. And when a pine tree dies, or a branch dies on a pine tree, all the resins and sap run down into the knots where the branch connects to the tree. And what you're looking for is when you cut it, at the base of that stick, you will find all that deep orange color, and that's all that infused resin. That's fatwood. You can see here, all the way around the outside of it, it goes deep into the wood. And it's a great fire starter. You want to look for that deep orange, deep yellow color. Yeah, this is really nice. And oh boy, and it smells good. Alright, we've got a dead pine tree here. It's been laying on the ground a while. And right around here at the base of all these knots where the branches are is where you're going to find the fatwood. Because when this tree died, all the sap and resin that was in this branch all drained its way down by gravity down here to the bottom. And you can even see it on this one already, even before I cut it off. That's full of fatwood. Well, folks, there is fatwood in there. It's kind of a ways down in there, but it's in there. Now, I'm not going to light a fire up here in this woods right now because we're on a burn ban in this area. It's been awfully dry, and I'm not going to light a fire in the middle of the pine forest. We'll go back into the yard and set up on the big rock. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this fatwood here, and we're just going to make some shavings. Just a few pieces. That ought to be enough for right now. Well, it's kind of windy right now, so I hope this lights up. But it doesn't take much. There. And off it goes. Protected from the wind a little bit. Now if I was actually making a real fire, I'd have all my tinder, my bigger pieces ready to go, and it would just light the fatwood, put the loose tinder on top of it, small twigs on top of that, and this stuff will burn for a long time. It's so full of resin, it's so full of pine. You can see it gives off a really black smoke, and it's hot. It's kind of burning my hand a little bit, and it's just right next to it. Look at that go.